Lab 85 darba mat-tim nazzjonali tal-Ingilterra.
And I've been very lucky to play for for my national team, for the club that I've adored since I was a child.
Min tfajjel supporter ta' Manchester United, irnexxielu jwettaq il-ħolma li jilab magħhom. F'16-il sena, lab 570 partita, ħafna minnhom bħala captain.
I grew up as a massive Manchester United fan. I watched the team since I was 4 years of age, so for me the most important match was my first one. To have the opportunity to play at Old Trafford is a dream, and to go out there the first time, all my dreams came true, because as a child that's all I ever wanted to do was play for the club, and to get out there and actually do it. So everything that's come since is a continuation of that dream. My first one was always the most important.
Bil-flok ta' Red Devils, Gary Neville rebaħ 8 kampjonati, 3 FA Cups, 2 tazzi ta' Champions, u għal darbtejn sar champion ta' dinja fuq livell ta' klabb. Ma' Manchester United u mat-tim nazzjonali Ingliż, Gary Neville dar id-dinja u minn daqs dawk pajjiżi, id-destinazzjoni favorita tiegħu hija Malta.
I've been to many countries around the world with football and sometimes on holiday, and I've still yet to find a country where I've enjoyed myself as much as Malta. And I think that's not just because of the history of the place, but because of obviously the weather. We don't get the weather in England, but I think most importantly the people and the hospitality that you show when you're over here. And I think that's the reason I keep coming back, and will continue to come back every year.
Illum, Gary Neville ilu 8 snin jagħmilha ta' ambaxxatur tat-turiżmu għall-Air Malta.
I'm happy to promote Air Malta and tourism in Malta continuously over the last 7 or 8 years. And I think the great thing is that when I first started coming over here, sometimes I had to fly from London because there weren't direct flights from Manchester every day. So the change from 15 years to today of direct flights now going every day and being full. And sometimes when I ring up, 2 months before, I can't get on the flight, which I suppose is good. It means that the tourism is picking up. It means that everybody's enjoying coming to Malta and more people are coming.
Gary Neville għatta l-ewwel vaganza tiegħu f'Malta meta kellu 18-il sena. Sena qablu kien ġi Malta sieħbu David Beckham. Kien Beckham li ħajjar lil Gary Neville jiġi Malta u minn dakinhar baqa' jiġi kull sena.
It was David Beckham who actually had been over the year before, who said to us to come over to Malta, and I've actually continued to come to Malta every year since.
Gary Neville jemmen ħafna fil-potenzjal li għandha Malta fil-qasam tat-turiżmu. Jgħidli li kemm ilu jiġi għal vaganzi hawn Malta f'pajjiżna nota progress kbir.
This place will really take off in the next 5 to 10 years. I think it's improving all the time. You can see the infrastructure has improved so much in the last 5 years. From someone who comes year on year, I think sometimes Maltese have a habit of talking themselves down in terms of the way in which the country is, but it really is a fantastic country, has great history. And when certain things improve, like the roads, the transport networks, the flights that are coming in now more regularly, it has a great opportunity to be one of the great tourist destinations in Europe.
Gary Neville jgħidli li hu biħsiebu jibqa' jiġi hawn Malta sakemm imut.
Until the day that I die, because I really do love the place. I see it now as being, we don't even talk about where to go on holiday, and we just know that we're coming to Malta, and that doesn't say we don't go anywhere else, but we always make time to come to Malta every year because we enjoy it so much.
Naturalment, biħsibu wkoll jibqa' juża l-linja tal-ajru favorita tiegħu, l-Air Malta.
We always use Air Malta. The people there are fantastic, and they give the country a really good name.